Welcome back to Golf Buddies by GOLFFLOG.
A world where golf comes to life. Romeo, would you wear that outfit to a country club?
Probably not, but it's perfect for my local public course.
Interesting, because I'd choose something much more classic.
So who's right?
Maybe there isn't a right answer.
Let's ask Will.
Let's go flogging.
Hello, GOLFFLOGs. How are you? My name is Will Kim. Welcome back to Golf Buddies by GOLFFLOG. How are you guys doing? Everything good? It's very hot in here right now. I put a little fan down there. I hope the sound of the fan doesn't bother you. I hope you understand. It's very hot in this room right now. So today's episode, the title is What Kind of Golfer Are You? We are not talking about the handicap. We are not talking about your personality. We are mainly focusing on what kind of golf attire would you prefer to wear when you are playing golf. What golf attire makes you feel very comfortable, and also it defines what you are, real you. So let me go over with you 5 different types of golf attire according to each golf course. So first one will be country club, second is private course, third is prestige public golf course, and number 4th is regular public golf course, and then number 5 is part 3 golf course. So I prepare the images of our characters to explain the proper golf attire for each golf course. Okay? Alright, let's go flogging. Alright, GOLFFLOGs. Yeah, I changed my t-shirt from tank top because it's getting too hot. So excuse me. So I'll show you the first image right here. Not this way, here, right here. Right here. So first image is Juliet. So the first image is Juliet, our lovely Juliet. Juliet is wearing a proper golf attire for a country club. Collar shirt is required, and collar shirt must be tucked in. For ladies, skirt cannot be very short. It has to be mid-thigh or longer. And golf shoes is required. That means you cannot just wear any athletic shoes or running shoes. You don't have to wear hat. That is for your preference. No jeans, no gym wear, and no flip-flops. So country clubs have the strictest dress codes. Classic, polished, and respectful attire is required. Just in case, if you do not know what to wear before your round, please contact the pro shop and then ask them for that information, so that you don't have to spend extra money when you arrive there. And then if you are not wearing a proper golf attire, you might have to purchase a new golf attire at the pro shop. So please contact the pro shop before your round and then find out the information about the golf attire at a country club. One more thing, please do not wear the hat backward. You must wear your hat placing forward. The next image is Oki, GOLFFLOG Country Club Superintendent. Private courses maintain very strict dress codes. Neat, traditional, and proper golf attire is mandatory. So collar shirts, tailored pants and shorts, golf shoes, hat and visor I mean, you could wear it or you don't have to. That is for your preference. Make sure you don't wear t-shirts, no tank tops, no flip-flops. The next image is Eddie, the caddy at GOLFFLOG Country Club. So prestige public golf courses, maybe I could name PGA West, Industry Hills, Angeles National, something like that in LA area. Prestige public golf courses have elevated dress codes. Smart, stylish, and golf-appropriate attire is expected. Color shirts recommended. Tailored shorts and pants, and golf shoes or clean athletic shoes. Of course, hats or visor, bucket hat. I mean, that's for your preference. You don't have to wear it. No denim, no sleeveless, no flip-flops. Alright, G-Flows. The next image is Romeo, regular public golf course. So I could name it in LA area, Wilson and Harding Golf Course, Hansen Dam, Norwood, something like that. So it's regular public golf course. Regular public golf courses have relaxed dress codes. Comfortable and golf-appropriate attire is acceptable. Polo shirt or t-shirt, acceptable. Shorts, any length. No swimsuits. Athletic shoes or golf shoes. Cap, any direction. You could wear it backwards, sideways. You don't have to wear it. No tank tops, no bare chest, no flip-flops. The last image is Nibo, our F&B manager, food and beverage. So part 3 golf courses. Maybe I could name it in Los Angeles area, Van Nuys part 3 golf course. And we have Los Feliz part 3 golf course, something like that. Part 3 courses have the most relaxed dress codes. Casual and comfortable attire is perfectly fine. T-shirt or tank top are okay. Because I did play with t-shirt and tank top before. Shorts, any length. Sandals, flip-flops, sometimes okay. Well, I don't recommend because you could slip. So I don't recommend, but you could still wear it. I've seen people wearing sandals. Hat, it is not mandatory. That's for your preference. And no swimsuits, no bare chest. Welcome back to Flows. So how was it? All those 5 different golf courses, proper golf attire. You notice I took out my hat too. It's very hot in here. So out of those 5, what golf attire do you most prefer? And then that makes you, when you are playing, very comfortable and defines who you are as a golfer. Personally, for me, I like the golf attire for either regular public golf course or part 3 golf course. Even though I worked at a country club or I am a golf professional, I don't like very proper golf attire with the tuck-in shirts, belts, and all those stuff. Because when I'm swinging the golf club, if I tuck in my shirt, it really a little bit bothers me. I'm not used to it maybe. And even when I was working at a company, the 9 to 6 job, I really didn't like the button shirts, the neckties and everything. That's not for me. So my preference is a little bit more relaxed, casual. I love wearing tank top when the weather is hot. T-shirts or shirts, I don't like very tight shirts, a little bit loose shirts. Yeah, that's my type of prefer golf attire. So when you have a time, please leave a comment, number 1 through 5, which one is your best choice, okay? Thank you for watching GOLFFLOG and have a great rest of your day. And I'll see you next time at Golf Buddies by GOLFFLOG. Let's go frogging. Let's go frogging.